The Fox and the Leopard. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a proud leopard. His golden fur was covered with beautiful dark spots, and he loved to show it off to everyone. One sunny morning, the leopard met a clever fox near a quiet stream. The leopard walked gracefully, flicking his tail, and said proudly, "Look at me, dear fox. See how beautiful my coat is? My spots make me the most handsome animal in the forest." The fox smiled politely and replied, "Yes, your coat is indeed very beautiful. But tell me, is beauty only on the outside?" The leopard frowned a little, of course. "What else matters more than looking good?" he said confidently. The fox sat down calmly and said, "My friend, I may not have shiny fur like yours, but I have something more important, my intelligence." The leopard laughed loudly. "Intelligence? Can that make you as admired as my beauty?" he asked. The fox gently replied, "Beauty may catch the eye, but intelligence helps you survive and solve problems. It is what truly matters in life." Just then, they heard loud barking. A group of hunters' dogs was approaching fast. The leopard panicked and started running blindly, but the fox stayed calm. "Follow me," he shouted. The fox quickly led the leopard through narrow paths, under bushes, and into a hidden hole between rocks. The dogs ran past them without noticing. After the danger passed, the leopard came out, breathing heavily. He looked at the fox with respect and said, "Today, your intelligence saved us. I understand now inner qualities are more important than outer beauty." The fox smiled and said, "True beauty lies within. A wise mind is more valuable than a pretty appearance." From that day on, the leopard became humble and never boasted about his looks again. Moral of the story: inner beauty and intelligence are more valuable than outward appearance.